Scaled up Tic Tacs and a Tic Tac adapter, it must be Fan Mail Friday. There you are, welcome back. It is time, once again, for Fan Mail Friday. If you so choose to send stuff my way, it's never required, but if you want to, the address you can send stuff to is in the description of every video I make. Bam! Just like that. We've got a couple letters, a green package, and this box to open up. First, I want to talk about. This is from, well, it says Mark on there, but this got chewed up a little bit. I guess we could just open it from this end. Inside we have a quarter and, is that a nickel? That's right, that's a nickel. I don't know if anything else fell out. We'll see. We do have a self-addressed stamped envelope and we've got ourselves a note. Here we go. This is actually kind of interesting here. Dear 3D printing nerd, it's me. My name is Mark Sittler, and I live in Olympia, Olympia, and I like your YouTube channel. I found this 3D printer on Amazon. Do you think this, well, the best 3D printer to start with? Here's a pic of the 3D printer. It's on the back, and they are, so Vahigsi mini 3D printers with low noise silent, and it's this one. This is the Easy 3D one. Actually, Linus Tech Tips did a video on this 3D printer because it was $99 at the time, and it's awful. It's awful. I wouldn't recommend it. I really, really wouldn't recommend it. It's $59, yes, but it would be better to find a Micro Center and go get an Ender 3 Pro for $99, or find yourself an Ender 3 whatever for under $200. It's gonna be more money, but this is just gonna cause you sadness. Please, I hope you don't buy this 3D printer. It looks like there is 30 cents. So there is a self-addressed stamped envelope, so stickers are in play. Let's get down to business. First things first. There we go. Mark, thanks for writing to me for advice. Sorry it took me this long to get it to you. I hope your adventures in 3D printing are fun. That 30 cents goes towards the kids. You have included an envelope with some stamps, which means, Mark, you get a sticker. Next up, green package. This is from Neil from West Richland. I thought it said Wester Kirkland, but it's West Richland, Washington. All right, neighborhood.
Please won't you be my neighbor?
Inside, we have a manila folder. Okay, that's it. That's it. Interesting. Inside the manila folder. Well, this is okay. So take a look at that. First of all, that's cool. Dear 3D printing nerd, greetings from Eastern Washington, the land of mammoths and Ice Age floods. I am a volunteer at a mammoth dig site near Kennewick, Washington. Late in 2019, I wrote to you about 3D printing a mammoth leg bone. I'm proud to say we went ahead and printed one. After printing, we had our volunteer artist work their magic and it came out awesome. See photo. Can you tell which one is the real bone? So that's just it. So in one of these bones is 3D printed and one is not. That's incredible. We are already working on our next large bone and have plans for more. We are still digging and find more bones. Our dig season ends in October, but we'll start again in May 2022. 3D printing will continue through the winter. If you're going to be in the Tri-Cities, contact me and I'll set up a tour. Signed, Neil Mara. Well, Neil, this is friggin' awesome. So Tri-Cities, that's like a 3-hour drive. All right, all right. All right, Neil, I'll keep this on hand because it is May of 2022. Huh. We'll see what we can do. Next letter. I'm gonna save the box to the end.
Systems activated.
This is from a Joshua out of Columbus. Joshua. Apparently, I don't know how to open an envelope.
Great Scott.
Inside, we have, ooh, okay, I do see a stamped self-addressed envelope folded in a super unique way. Okay, okay. I dig that. And a letter and a $5. That's Mr. Lincoln right there. High five, Joel. It's me. I've been a fan of your channel for several years now and I've learned so much about printing. You're the reason behind me wanting to go big. I ended up with a pair of Modex Big 60 V3 printers for work. Those are big, but when they are not busy, I can play with them using my filament. My daughter loves the random toys I'm able to conjure up and she loves the hairy lion I made after watching your video on the massive one you made. I have enclosed a few dollars for Seattle Children's. I wish I could send more, but it has been a journey this past year. Speaking of this past year, I've been on a mission to fill the front of my workshop freezer with stickers from people I love and would love to have a 3D pen sticker if you have any left. I have enclosed a self-addressed stamped envelope for it. Thank you for being awesome. Josh. Well, Josh, I can make that happen. You did, however, send in $5 US, so let's take care of business. First things first. Now, I hope you don't mind, I'm throwing in two. I've got a JoelBot sticker and a Safety Joel sticker. You get stickers.
Shutting down.
Last, certainly not least, is this box. Now, this is pre-opened, but this one my wife pre-opened to check and make sure contents were okay. And they must have been okay because I'm opening this box. There we go. Let's take a look, huh? That's some paper wrapping. And what is this? Okay, some Tic Tacs. Purple and red things. More packing material. Let's read this note. Hello, Joel. It's me. Love the channel, always learning something to apply to my own prints. I recently saw your video on the Tic Tac gun. Hey, not bad. And I figured I would share some things I found, an adapter that I just made since I have been messing with my own Tic Tac gun. First of all, the TTG was designed with a spring in mind, and later the rubber band was added as a remix to Thingiverse. In my experience, it's best to use both, and it's easy to find a spring that fits. Since there are a variety of pins on Thingiverse and a variety of springs at any hardware store, it should not be difficult. Second, cheese balls don't work as ammo. Yeah, I know that. I've tried multiple different firing mechanisms, including the 3D printed Rambone slingshot, and it doesn't have the weight. To fix this, I've included 3D printed Tic Tacs that have been scaled up. Wear eye protection, don't eat them, and shoot them at something like a soft pillow. Last other issue with any Tic Tac weapon is that you never have enough ammo since you end up eating significant portions. So I designed an adapter for the 200 Tic Tac container, which is included with ammo. Just cut where the yellow plastic bends and leave some plastic on the container. I also have the design on Thingiverse, and there's a link. Keep up the good work on the videos, and I will keep printing. Your friend from the land of toasted ravioli and the thinnest, crispiest pizza, St. Louis. Good bean. Also, everything's printed inland PLA and modified on a Wanhao Duplicator i3. Ooh, hot diggity. So we've got some Tic Tacs. Okay, I see. And this is the adapter. So if I were to do this. Okay, well, I might have to break off this Tic Tac container. That was easy. I'm gonna make this work. Now, I don't have the TTG here, but look at that. That adapter fits just fine. Just fine. These are the modified Tic Tacs that they printed, and these are chonky, to say the least. Thank you for this. I really do appreciate it. And just like that, we've made it to the end of yet another Fan Mail Friday. Thank you to everybody that was able to send something in. I truly appreciate it. And if you are wanting to send something in, you don't have to. It's not required. But if you choose to do so, the address where you can send stuff is in the description of every video I make. Awesome, right? Glad you made it this far, because if you did, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more, fight for a cause you believe in. And as always, high five.